fuck you dogs. Con Night Tibbet. See? It's a disappointment. And I'm disgusted in your putrid fucks. Because they're like a shipment of cocaine that's empty crates. They're not my boys these days, I know my place. I don't even bother tagging the fellas in my takes anymore, cause they ain't care about my dreams anyway. Talking shit is promotion that I cannot hate. While they're trying to commemorate what I create while I concentrate. They were supposed to be my squad, but they ain't gonna wanna treat me with respect to the black aim. What side is they gonna aim when a head nods and the body bops? When my shit drops and I'm a boss, can't on rage. And on stage it should fill me with rage, but if shit happens and she'll be right. And I fuck the dogs. They brag away, I used to smoke pot with him back in the day. Flocks of bullshit and cunts and I'm glad I've run away. It flops like a floppy disk, my rap's my life and they don't give a fuck advice I take. When my uncle said, fuck them up, yeah Uncle Mark. That was years ago, I guess I'm late like a slow watch out of whack. Like pulling fongs, flip flops, snapping tight off the knots of friendship they frayed. But they ain't nothing, won't find something falling off the tray of this truck. Even not tied down, it'll stay locked. No love lost for being soft when most these hard cunts suck each other off. Sucking cock, showing off, they getting off on impressing and scaring cunts. It's strange, they're fucking bullies, fucking shame on them. I'm water to their flames. It's such a shame, but their hungry egos fed. They're not ashamed, and neither am I. I'm a sick cunt, they're lame. I just came in my jocks to the Peter Pans cause I feel lost. Loneliness to blame, I never lost. Knowing I got a good heart, the cops treat me like I should get some cement boots and slip off the dock simply because I steal from the shops. Like I'm such a menace to society, was gonna help connect the dots. Mama told me if you tell them that I'll flog you, then you'll get taken away by dogs. So I kept my mouth shut and cried, cuddling up to the dogs. All I wanted was love and now I write songs. I don't get it, the cost they pay, the shit they dribble away just to make lots of pay as they humiliate themselves and participate in this game. I do but I don't play, there's so much hate like fuck bitches get money, everybody's fake. I guess I've got to hallucinate to feel that way cause I'm only surrounded by real people every day. There's two motherfuckers, I've got to say I wouldn't trade them up for trillions of dollars, but you would, then you complain how you got no brothers, how they claim to be your friend and dog you every day, but you're a dog yourself, mate. Find a real friends and family trying to catch a grenade, but use for fraudulent. Again, I can't be chained, taken off like an airbase and ambly on a plane. So what, I have sympathy or anything to say? You're just as much as a dog, so why'd you deserve a mate? People construct their fate, then they whinge and bitch, but they slay. Negativity off, get off your ass and you can fix it, mate. So don't tell me about the struggle I crawled out yesterday. The happy ending isn't years away, I'm tearing up cause I'm still kicking it, relaxing, still breathing with a smile on my face. Sitting here today, and if you are a dog, then you can go and get fucked, fuck face. Even when strained, its muscles sprained, my loyalty never changed. All I ever wanted to do was make their dreams come true and make it rain. But there, I guess, I just gotta find the people and rearrange my priorities, and I guess I'll never be that fucking stupid again.